April, thank you. So here's the question for you. Is your car, Scotty, ready for the sweltering Arizona summer?
It may be, but I'm not.
Yeah, it got here too fast, right?
It really did. You know, we talk about this all the time. Your car can, of course, hit triple digits easily when it's sitting out in the sun.
Yeah.
So 3 on your side, Susan Campbell is here now with some tips to make sure your car's AC is up to that challenge.
Susan, have you gotten into the car and it's burned your legs and your hands yet? Have you done that yet?
Yeah, it's not great.
It's rough.
I'm going to get used to it, though. So obviously getting your AC ready for the summer is important for your comfort, but it's also important just to make sure you can keep your car running smoothly. NARPro, short for Neighborhood Auto Repair Professional, says it's critical for cars to have well-maintained air conditioning systems because that cooling helps keep some car parts from overheating, especially in Arizona. We went to Howard Fleischmann at Community Tire Pros and Auto Repair in Phoenix for some expert advice. He says one of the first things people notice if they have a problem with the AC is a lack of airflow. So make sure your filter is clean and air can get through. Fleischmann says those filters should be changed every 6 months. He says you can also do a DIY check on the temperature of air coming out of the vents.
Grab a temperature gauge, and it can be as simple as the temperature gauge your wife uses when she's cooking. Stick it in one of the air vents, turn it on recirculate, give it a couple minutes. It should start reading 42 to 45 degrees. If it's doing that, then more than likely the system's doing fine.
There are other things to check as well, including the condition of the system's belts and signs of leaking. You don't have to do this all on your own. Through May 31st, all NARPro shops will do a free AC check for you. You just have to call and schedule an appointment. The checkup will take about 30 minutes. And right now we have a link to search all NARPro locations on our website, guys.
By the way, Susan, I don't personally think you ever get used to the heat.
That's not what I want to hear.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Yeah.
It is what it is.
Yeah, you are really not an Arizonan until you get in there and get those third-degree burns on the back of your legs.
For sure.
That's initiation.
Oh, guys.
I know. Sorry. You'll get there. We'll talk to you then. And the monsoon will get there, too.